Welcome back. Mitzvah 16. It is a positive commandment. Let's go inside. It is a positive commandment to be attached to Torah scholars and their disciples. For Scripture says, "And to him shall you cling." Talking about God. Should cling to God. And the sages of blessed memory explained, whoever adheres to Torah scholars, it is as though he were attached to the Shekhinah, to the divine presence. Therefore, a person should marry a daughter of a Torah scholar, and he should give his daughter in marriage to a Torah scholar. He should eat with him and have benefit from his wealth. He should wallow in the dust of the feet of Torah scholars and drink in their words thirstily. This applies everywhere at every time for both man and woman. Torah scholarship, or at the very least Torah knowledge and understanding, is certainly central to what it is that we do as Jews. And in order to advance that, you want to bring into your environment as much as possible Torah scholarship. And therefore, you want to cling to Torah scholars and their disciples, the students of Torah, because they can bring us to a learning and an understanding and appreciation of Torah. It's recommended here that, while you're at it, you might as well make a shidduch with a Talmud Chacham. You might make a shidduch with the right family in order to get that into your family environment. It's a nice recommendation, but either way, find Torah scholars, whether it's rabbis, members of the clergy, any way that you can, and cleave to them. Fortunately for us nowadays, that's a lot easier than it used to be. It used to be, you're living in some small shtetl somewhere, you had a Torah scholar and maybe you had a student or two, right? If you were lucky, there was a yeshiva, but if you weren't lucky, you had almost nobody. Nowadays, with social media, the possibilities are truly endless. I enjoy shiurim from other people all the time. You just go on and you connect. I really should, maybe I'll put something out there soon with some recommendations of websites that you can go to in order to connect to Torah material, either audio or video. I know that YU Online or YU Torah Online, I don't remember offhand right now what it's called, but it's one of those two things, has a plethora of things, although sometimes they're a little bit advanced. But the OU has things, Aish HaTorah has things, AISH HATORAH, HaTorah.com has many, many things offered. We have plenty of opportunity to access scholars and their disciples in order that we can be more deeply involved in and more deeply committed to Torah and tradition. Okay, thanks for being with us. Our next commandment is going to be one of showing respect and honor. It is a positive commandment to rise up before an aged man or woman and to honor a Torah scholar, getting up before him or her. Okay, that's next time. Thanks for being with us. Bye-bye.